Imagine waking up tomorrow with your phone buzzing, not with texts, but with notifications of money flowing into your account while you sleep. What if I told you that in 2025, it's not just a dream, it's a reality? But the question is, are you ready to take that first step towards financial freedom? In this video, we're diving deep into the best apps that can help you generate passive income in 2025. Whether you're a college student, a young professional, or someone just looking to make smarter money moves, this is your guide to building wealth in the digital age. But be warned, these apps aren't all sunshine and rainbows. Some require strategy and others require risk. So grab your notepad. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First, let's talk about why passive income is no longer optional. It's a necessity. In the fast-paced world we live in, relying on just one source of income is risky. What if the economy tanks? What if your job disappears tomorrow? If you're not already thinking about multiple streams of income, you might be falling behind. But here's the thing. Earning passive income in 2025 isn't as hard as you think. You just need the right tools and the right mindset. It's about leveraging technology. And yes, there are apps that can put your money to work for you while you focus on the things that matter. Point 1. Dividend stock apps. Let's start with something most people can relate to, investing. But not just any kind of investing. I'm talking about apps that allow you to invest in dividend stocks. Imagine you're sipping your morning coffee and instead of worrying about your bills, you're earning dividends. Apps like Robinhood and Webull have revolutionized how we can get into the stock market. They give you access to fractional shares, so you don't need to drop thousands to start. With dividend stocks, you can earn regular payouts, money that comes in without you doing a thing. Now, it's not get rich quick, but with the right stocks, you can start seeing those dividends compound over time. But here's the thing. Many people make the mistake of buying and forgetting about their investments. You have to track, adjust, and most importantly, reinvest. The truth is, most people fail because they don't stick with it. Are you willing to be consistent, or will you let the fear of market crashes hold you back? The choice is yours. Point 2. Peer-to-peer lending apps. Next, let's talk about something that sounds a little riskier. But if you get it right, it can be a game changer. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending apps like Lending Club and Prosper. You've probably heard of P2P lending. You, the lender, essentially become the bank. You provide loans to individuals or small businesses, and they pay you back with interest. You could be earning double-digit returns, and it's all automated. But before you get too excited, remember this. High returns come with high risk. Not everyone who borrows money will pay it back. And if you're not careful, you could lose your investment. So, do your research, diversify your loans, and never put more than you can afford to lose. But if you play it smart, this can be a powerful way to generate income while helping others get ahead. Feeling ready to risk a little for some serious return? Well, what if I told you there's another app that could make you money without you risking a cent? Point 3. Passive income apps for renting your stuff. Now, this next app is for those who might not have thousands of dollars to invest, but still want to make money from what they already own. I'm talking about apps like Turo for renting your car, Airbnb for renting your space, or even Fat Llama for renting out your camera gear. These are simple ways to generate passive income without doing anything more than listing what you already have. But here's the catch. You need to own something worth renting. Your old beat-up car? Not going to bring in passive income. But a car, equipment, or a property that's in demand? That's where the money is. Still, it's not completely hands-off. You'll need to maintain your items, keep your ratings up, and be responsive. But the best part? It's scalable. Rent your stuff once a week, then twice, then maybe even full-time. Soon, you could be turning a profit without lifting a finger. Transition to next point. Point 4. Automated dropshipping apps. Here's something that might make you pause. Automated dropshipping. The dream of setting up an online store and letting it run itself. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's possible, thanks to apps like Shopify and Oberlo. With dropshipping, you sell products without holding any inventory. When someone buys, the supplier ships directly to the customer. Your only job is marketing. Sounds like passive income, doesn't it? Here's the kicker though, building a successful dropshipping business takes time. You need to pick the right products, find reliable suppliers, and invest in marketing. But once it's set up and running, it can generate revenue with minimal effort on your part. As we reach the middle of our list, let's hit pause and really think about this. There are so many ways to generate passive income. Some are low risk, and others are high risk. Some take a lot of effort up front, and others are more hands-off. The key is figuring out what works best for you. Remember, passive income isn't about making money while you sleep. It's about being smart with your money and leveraging tools that can work for you over time. What if I told you there's an app that makes passive income seem like nothing at all? The kind of app that you barely have to lift a finger to use, but it makes your bank account grow. Stick around, because in just a moment, I'll reveal it. And trust me, you'll want to be the first to try this one. It could change everything. Acorns is a financial app that automatically rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the difference. For example, you buy a coffee for $4.25, and Acorns rounds it up to $5. That's 75 cents. It's invested for you. Over time, these small amounts add up, and boom, passive income while you're doing nothing more than your daily routine. Now, this may not make you rich overnight, but in 2025, this could be the simplest way to start building wealth without you ever thinking twice about it. Are you ready to make the leap? To take charge of your financial future and start earning passive income today? It's all in your hands. Don't wait. Start exploring these apps and take action now. Your wealth won't wait. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and be sure to subscribe for more strategies on how to live the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Until next time, keep investing in your future.